Max Money Tribe, Max Money Family, what's going on? It's your boy Alvin, and we are back with some major news. We're talking about Tesla, just like the whole world is, especially in the investing world, right? Tesla's going crazy. So if you could for a second, hear me out. If I had two more stocks to buy the rest of the year, if somebody said that, what stocks would they be? My top two favorite stocks, all 2022. Amazon, before they do this stock split, and immediately after they do the stock split. And Tesla, same thing applies, because they are going to be guaranteed return, guaranteed profits. Two major stocks in the world giving you an opportunity to buy into the company at such a low price. Now, what is a stock split? A stock split is where a company offers more shares, which also a stock split has to be voted on by the shareholders. So it still has to pass through the shareholders, but it's a great opportunity when a company does it. So basically, you will have more of those stocks. So if you have one right now, it will get split, I believe, with Tesla into 11 shares. So it's going to be worth about $90. But first things first, smash that subscribe button, crush the thumbs up, join our tribe, join our community. We are so close to going over 700. Why not stay a while, learn a little bit, and teach us a little bit? So I'm a little bit pissed because at the end of the day, I lost. I gave back some money, even though I'm up almost $200. I bought 5 SPY puts for an average cost of about $48. I also made my money on the SPY today. So as you see, the SPY is slowly dripping down. I'm hoping it breathes in the morning, opens up around 453. At some point goes down and touches that level, and I can profit on those puts, and I'll be out of them. Just because you're bearish for a short term doesn't mean you're always a bear. The stock market is usually 75% on a bullish run somehow. So let's jump into our Tesla article real quick, family. So Tesla wants to split its stock so it can pay a stock dividend. Exactly what we just talked about. It would pay the dividend to shareholders according to a filing on Monday. The Securities Exchange Commission filing said the electric car maker will ask its annual shareholders meeting for an increase in the number of authorized shares of common stock, so basically its stockholders, in order to enable a stock split from the company's common stock in the form of a stock dividend. So instead of getting cash, you get more shares, which from research, it's looking like 11-to-1 stock split. So if that is true, you're talking about Tesla right now from 1,000 all the way down to about $90 a share. Now, it probably will not be anywhere near that. I'm thinking they're going to be about 120 to 150, because I can see Tesla going on a run up to about 1,200 or even 1,100, somewhere in that range. We'll see. So in other words, if there's a 6-for-1 split, investors will get a stock dividend of 5 shares. For every 1 share of Tesla they own, this would be a one-time event. Tesla shares were up more than 6% at about $1,075. So the shares have more than doubled since the 5-for-1 split that took effect August 31st, 2022. So just in the past year and a half, let's go with that, it's already taken off from that stock split back to $1,000. So the news comes as Tesla stock has struggled this year, slipping 4.4% for 2022. But with that said, it jumped almost 50% in 2021. So, guys, and it surged to 743% in 2022 with that share split. So you have an opportunity right now, when it splits or right now, to jump in on Tesla. So if we go look up Tesla right here, one of the big dogs, it's still going up. $81 today. You look at the past week, $162. Past month, $230. You're literally going to be buying in below all these prices. You're going to get Tesla somewhere down here in this range, right here. Guys, that is major. Look at the upside to that, where you're going to get some of the pie at and going into the future. We don't know if it's going to go crazy like it is now, but Tesla, they just do so many things, man. It's crazy to go against them. So I'm with Tesla. Let me know if you're buying any Tesla, or if you're buying Amazon, or if you have any other news on some stock splits. Drop it down in the comments below, guys. I really do appreciate that. Now, If you saw, NIO also had that news with Kathy Woods. Today it had a great day, which is really, really nice to see. So it pulled up $1.30. It's not back here where it dropped off, but it's still looking very strong. Kathy Woods bought a whole bunch of this, 8.4 million. I have an article or a video I dropped about 2 days ago. Check that out if you need the details on that. Now I want to wrap it up with the big dog, the short squeeze play, AMC. Now, if you guys are running around laughing at these apes that we're still holding, guess what? They're still holding. And it was down here at $13. This is where I made almost $20,000, $15,000 last year from this run, from a $13 run all the way up to the 30s. I believe it was right here. I jumped back in and went crazy again this day. So guys, it's going crazy. Well, not the past month, but last year, when it went on that major run the first time right here. This is where I made my money. And it's looking like it's pushing back to that range where it was consolidating between 30s and 40s, 40s and 50. So we got to see. But $10 in one day, you could have made a huge bag, especially on options. I'm telling you right now, that's the type of plays you got to keep your eye on. This is a major short squeeze play. And we used to do short squeeze videos. I will get back into it. But look at this. The volume is 225 million. Average volume is normally 60 million, or for the past time frame, 60 million. So that is a huge indicator. When you have volume, there's going to be a huge price action. And I want to finish with this, guys. While you're smashing that subscribe button, hitting the thumbs up, one of the tribe members did put me on to this right here. Now, this is tied to AMC. Highcroft Mining, which is a gold mining company that the owners or CEOs of AMC had a stake in this, and they sold their shares, and it was going up. It's flying up. He told me about it over the weekend, but obviously, as you see today, it went up another $1.04. Now, this is the things I would like to break to you guys. Let me know if you're interested in these lower stocks, stuff like this. But this is major news, and shout out to my guy that put me on to that, man. I appreciate it. I didn't make money on it, but in the future, the more we share, the more we all have an opportunity to eat off these plays. I appreciate you guys. I'll see you tomorrow, family.